All right, everybody, this video gonna be a little bit sideways. I'm showing you the PCV valve. The hoses, the elbow hoses was rotted out, so I took them out. Hopefully they give me the whole plastic hose and the rubber elbows, boots. And this is the PCV valve, and they said that it's a 35mm socket, almost like a spark plug socket, that'll take this off. So you looking at it right there from the inside of it. Let me get a little zoom on it. So that, I can't tell if that's clogged, but the hoses were busted, so I'm praying that that's all that there was, and I get the proper power back. All right. And that, once again, that goes all the way on the other side. So what happened is the rubber elbow boots, the curves off of this, and this whole plastic hose tucks under here and goes on the opposite sides and plugs in on there, but it's only one PCV valve on here. This is this style. I had to take back a part that they gave me that wasn't it. It was a plastic one that was supposed to be right there beside the engine fill, but it's not. So this is a 2007 3.7 V6 Jeep Liberty, and the PCV valve is here on this model. So they must have stopped, like the one guy's video I was watching, they must have stopped making certain models with the PCV valve over there next to the engine fill, oil fill, and then they got it here. So it's supposedly a 35mm socket, which I have a couple impacts. I got some ones that aren't impact. They can go on there like a deep well socket and a ratchet, because you're not going to get on that with a wrench. You can't even turn it. So if you had a wrench in your hand, this is how you would be turning. No, you're going to need a ratchet that goes socket, that goes straight down over that like that. And the ratchet handle will be up here, and you'll turn and turn. I got swivels that can reach all the way out here. And this is the clamp that goes on. This is not a clamp where you got the flathead or the Phillips screw head that tightens this on. This is a squeeze, both sides, slide over and let go. And it's still pretty strong, so it's not going to let any air out of there. And I have my right pressure. So once again, I'll get close up on it, close as I can get. Sorry for the video, this angle, but this is it.